என்னும் எழுத்தும்.
Hi cuties. Hi. Good morning superstars. Good morning ma'am. Good. Have a nice day. Let's start a new day. Let's start a new day. Good. Super. Today we are going to learn in English. 4th unit, My Fun Time. First greetings, next fun with reading, then first A, large group activity, chant time. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodies, first fun with reading. Who is the perfect reader of the day? I found it. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is read the passage? Goodies. I write the passage on the blackboard. Wait. Okay, goodies. Who is the perfect reader of the day? Who is he? Or who is she?
Ma'am, I am ready.
Good. You?
Ma'am, I am ready.
Good. Super.
Ma'am, I am ready.
Super. Super. Good. Come here. Anyone, girl or boy, come here. Harni, come here. You read the passage. ஸ்டார்ட் குட்டி. இப்போ டைம் பார்த்துக்கலாம். பாருங்க 11:39. எத்தனை செகண்டில் படிக்கிறாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். இருங்க 11:40க்கு வரட்டும். 11:40க்கு வந்ததும் நீங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம இங்கே ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம், அதுலேயும் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். சரியா? ஓகே. வெயிட் ஸ்டார்ட்னு சொல்லும் போது ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸ்டார்ட்.
Hobbies are fun things we do in our free time. People enjoy many kinds of hobbies like painting, dancing, playing music, reading and sports. Hobbies help us relax and they learn new skills. They make us to be active and to be happy. It also helps us to spend our free time in a useful way. So, everyone should have a good hobby.
குட். சூப்பர். 1 மினிட்டில் இப்போ 1 மினிட் கூட இல்லை, 50 செகண்டில் படிச்சுட்டாங்க. ஹரணிக்கு ஒரு கிளாப் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? பிக் கிளாப் கொடுத்துடலாம். கிவ் ஹேர் ஏ பிக் கிளாப். சூப்பர். குட். குடீஸ், டுடேஸ் த பர்ஃபெக்ட் ரீடர் யார்? ஹரிணி. ஹரிணி இஸ் த பர்ஃபெக்ட் ரீடர் ஆஃப் த டே. அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டார் கொடுத்துடலாமா? இந்தாங்க குட்டீஸ். குட். கங்க்ராட்ஸ். Good. Next, shall we going to large group activity? First A, chant time. Are you ready? Okay. Goodies, what is your hobby? What is your hobby? Tell me.
Doing for fun.
Good. Super. Next, anyone? Do you have answer?
Doing for dancing.
Dancing. Next hobby. Tell me.
Doing for write story.
Write story. Like write story. Good. Super. Clap.
Doing for reading.
Reading. Good. Super.
Doing for painting.
Painting. Super.
Doing for sports.
Sports. Good.
Doing for singing.
Singing.
Doing for playing music.
Playing music. Good. Super. Next one.
Doing for dancing.
Dancing. Next one. Anyone? Any answer? Go. Tell me.
They make us to be active and to be happy.
Good. Super. Be happy. Super. Good. Clap, clap, clap. And tell me, Darshana,
Habits helps you
help us.
relax and learn new skills.
Very good. New skills learn பண்ணிக்கலாம். Good. Sit down. Goodies, when you are free, anyone? Stand.
Doing it for fun
When
when you are
free. Good. Clap, clap, clap. Good. Sit down. Goodies, do you like to sing? Anyone, girl or boy, come.
Yes, I like to sing. Yes, I like to sing.
Super. Give her a clap. Big clap. Super. Goodies, do you like to sing, Dhanasri?
No, I don't like to sing.
Good. Super. Goodies, do you like to water the plant? Dhruvaram?
Yes, I like to water the plant.
Good. Super. Goodies, do you like to water the plant? Purnima Sri?
No, I don't like to water the plants.
Good. Super. Jivit, do you like to catch fish? Tell me.
Yes, I catch it. Yes, I like to catch fish.
Good. Super. Sit down. Harini, do you like to catch fish? Tell me.
No, I don't like to catch the fish.
Super. Darshana Sri, do you like to sew clothes? Tell me.
Yes, I like to sew clothes.
Good. Super. Asif, do you like to sew clothes?
No, I don't like to sew clothes.
Good. Super. Goodies, next. Do you like to ride a bicycle, Moharis?
Yes, I like to ride a bicycle.
Good. Super. Do you like to ride a bicycle, Dhanasri?
No, I don't like to ride a bicycle.
Good. Super. Super. Sit down. Goodies, all that you do for fun when you are free is a hobby. Okay. Thank you, superstars.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.